ordered one of these knukonceptz ultimate battery terminals. It's a solid block of, I'm gonna say probably steel. Got one out, I think it is. Couple fours, 8, whatever it is. It's well made, solid chunk of metal. Work good if you are trying to use existing battery terminal. That's for a for your top post or whatever. Screws into that hole. But solid block of metal, really like it. On these GMs, whatever reason, they put these fuse boxes over top of the battery, which makes it kind of funky on the connection. But I'm gonna look at seeing what I can do with this post right here, and if I can get it to work the way I want it to work, that's gonna be my hot connection. 3 little clips on it. Take this plug out here and take this screw out here, and then I'm gonna swing it out the way. Got the cover back on. Wire run around. Got the little protective cover over it, so it looks nice.